You got an old John Deere, an old International tractor, so you're probably going to find one of these on there. It is part of the old ether injection system for cold starting. I had a problem. I couldn't get the ether down the intake, so shooting it down the mushroom just kept washing my cylinders. Cat's makes a system that is 12 or 24 volt, but you can put anywhere up to $200 in the system alone. And then these canisters, to find them, are sometimes 50, 60, 70 a piece, or 500 or 600 for a case. Walmart or your regular old farm shop ether, about $1.97 a can. So what's our best alternative? Here's what I figured out. Inside this, I don't know how, and this I've already hogged this hole out in here. The system that hooked one of these old cans to this, I don't know. Can't find it. All the internet guys, they don't know either. So I pulled mine off, and there's a tube that runs from here actually to my intake. Here's the solution. Here's a regular oil fitting for running like an external line. Chevrolet, Ford, all the rest of them, back of your block runs up to a mechanical gauge. 1/8 NPT by 27 is what these threads are. So your general standard old tap, which I'm running a snap-on 1/8 27 NPT. So it's a regular old pipe tap. Any of you that have tapped a turbo manifold or something, that's what it is. 21/64 drill bit, drill in there a little ways, and then finish it off with an 1/8 inch or whatever is going to connect you back to this bigger hole. Now, thread this puppy in. Don't over tighten, but get it stuffed in there. Now, take your tap, or take your finger tab off, and that will fit right in that hole and set down real nice, and it'll depress. So, for quick demonstration, pull the top off. Don't break it, but pull the top off, and that'll fit in there. There you go. While you're cranking over, take one hand, push down on this sucker as you're spinning it over. $2 fix for a $300 setup on these old tractors. Not to mention your cap will also fit back on there and snug down nice and snug. So I got to go out and reinstall this on the dozer. Maybe I'll see if I'll start. But this will work a lot better than washing my filters down and then causing a dust problem later on. So direct injection straight into the intake manifold. Ought to work like factory again. Okay, 450 John Deere 450C track loader. This is where my fitting was. Remounted it in the same spot. Let's see how this works. Thing's been off the heater for several hours now, and it's probably in the mid-40s for temperature.